Starting an S-Corp might sound like a big task, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Today, we're unpacking the essentials to help you get started. Whether you're dreaming of launching a business or transforming your current one, this guide is your friend. First things first, what exactly is an S-Corp? It's a type of corporation that allows profits and some losses to be passed directly to the owner's personal income without being subject to federal corporate taxes. This can save you a chunk of change on taxes, which is always a win, right? Now, how do you start an S-Corp? It begins with choosing a name for your business. Make sure it's unique and complies with your state's regulations. Once that's settled, you'll need to file your articles of incorporation. This is a fancy way of saying you're officially letting your state know about your business. Next, you'll want to assign directors and hold your first board meeting. Even if you're the only person in your company, it's crucial to document this step. It's all about keeping things legit and organized. You'll file Form 2553 with the IRS to get your S-Corp status. Timing is key here, so be mindful of deadlines. Don't forget about getting an EIN or employer identification number. Think of it like a social security number for your business. It's used for opening a bank account, filing taxes, and hiring employees. After that, set up a business bank account. This will help you keep personal and business finances separate, which is a big deal in maintaining that legal protection and clarity. Once your account is open, start clean with your bookkeeping. Track every dollar in and out from day one, using simple accounting software or even a spreadsheet, so tax time isn't a scramble. Clear records also show the IRS you're treating the S-Corp as a real business, not a hobby. Remember, with an S-Corp, you're required to pay yourself a reasonable salary as an owner-employee, which means you'll need to handle payroll taxes. It sounds complex, but it's manageable, especially with services like legalregistration.com by your side. Now, why might someone choose an S-Corp over an LLC or other business structures? Honestly, it often comes down to tax advantages and how you want to handle ownership and profits. In the world of business, having the right structure can make a significant difference in how you grow and manage your company. If you're unsure about any steps, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 to guide you through the process. Hopefully, this breakdown makes starting an S-Corp feel a bit more doable. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips. See you in the next video.